Hey everyone, today we are introducing chargeback protection. Chargeback protection is your own resolution center similar to Amazon, PayPal, and eBay. It gives full control over chargeback. You will be the one who decide who win the chargeback, who lose the chargeback, instead of banks. So we give control back to you. For example, Amazon have buyer dispute program, which is their own resolution center. PayPal has their own resolution center that customer can go and open dispute directly through PayPal, and PayPal decide who win or lose. And the same way as eBay, they decide who lose the dispute, who win the dispute. So with Uviba, we give this control to you. No matter what payment gateway you use, what payment processor or merchant account you use, you have the control over chargebacks. You decide who lose and who win. And your merchant account will not get shut down just because of chargebacks because we decrease them. So let's look at how it works. This is the email your customer going to get. This is my store name. This is full my store name, Able Test Store. This is the store name. You can have whatever here. And then they're gonna get how much they paid. They can track the order or open dispute. So let's look at how track and order works first. It simulates the tracking by the information you provided. So it's give expected arrival, fastest arrival. So customer doesn't need request code to have estimated tracking. So that helps to decrease disputes. And other one is open dispute, which they can do through tracking page or through the email. So let's look at the open dispute page. So to open a dispute, they're going to come to this page. And this is your own dispute resolution center. So you have your own logo, your own name. They can contact you, track the order, or close dispute if they already open it. So they go here and file the dispute and then click dispute this transaction. Then click great. Here's what they see. So they disputed the transaction and you as a merchant have 11 days to respond or customer will get refund. So that give customer sense of security that they don't need to go to bank to get their money back from you. So as a merchant, you go to your dashboard, Uviba dashboard, and you click disputes here. And then it says one of them says need response, and this means it's chargeback protected dispute. So you click review this dispute. You can submit the evidence or accept the dispute. If you want to accept the dispute, it's gonna ask you dispute. I'm accept the dispute fully and then refund. Or you can try to convince the customer. Submitting the evidence will submit this evidence to customer directly. So customer should be convinced through the evidence you're submitting to. So you can convince customer using your words or offering the partial refund. And then you can put tracking information and direct link to the tracking page. Then you click submit evidence. Right after you submit evidence, customer will receive an email. They will receive this kind of email which says the store responded to dispute. They can click to see dispute timeline, merchants respond that you wrote there, or partial refund. They can click accept partial refund and close the dispute. Or they refuse and continue to dispute. They can see the tracking information you put here and the tracking link that you put under the dashboard. So let's say as a customer we refuse and we want to dispute further. As a customer, they can accept partial refund and close dispute, or they can close dispute from here, or they can dispute further. So let's say we disagree. I want my 300 back and period. You can see the timeline here, And once I send the message, timeline will change and will show you further disputed. So let's look at what merchant gets. So as a merchant, you receive a dispute notification again. And you can refuse the dispute, submit evidence again. You can see it full timeline before you submit evidence. Or you can just refuse the dispute. Let's refuse the dispute. Once you refuse the dispute, customer will get notification. Simply will say merchant closed the dispute. So they can just go to the dispute timeline and see what happened and why and how you responded. The dispute has been resolved. They don't get any other information. So you as a merchant can decide who win the dispute or lose the dispute instead of the banks or anyone else. We give full control to you. The same way as an Amazon, PayPal, and eBay has. But it is for everyone, not for just large enterprises. Thank you.